Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. I've been getting a lot of compliments on my hair lately, and I owe it all to Elabore's Purple Toning Shampoo. So as someone who's been dyeing their hair for almost 2 decades, I consider myself an expert when it comes to purple shampoo, and this is among the best shampoos I've ever tried. To me, it comes down to ingredients and effectiveness. Let me show you why I love this shampoo so much. You can really see the quality of the shampoo here. It's really thick and really pigmented, a really nice deep purple. So I noticed the shampoo doesn't lather quite as much as a typical shampoo does, but I was overwhelmed by the highly pigmented color. I found it cleansed my hair very well, and I didn't really have to add too much. A little goes a long way with this product. I left it in for the full 5 minutes recommended, and I was really impressed with how it turned out. Normally my fingers are stained quite purple, but I was pretty impressed that I didn't wear gloves and my fingernails still looked pretty good. So this shampoo not only works, I love the fact that my blonde is a lot more ashy after several weeks of use, but I also love the ingredients. It has jojoba oil, it has keratin, so it has all these ingredients that actually strengthen my hair. So at the same time as removing the brassiness, the yellow color, it's actually strengthening my hair, and my hair has never felt smoother or silkier. I would definitely highly recommend this shampoo to all of you who dye your hair blonde. Maybe you're going gray or you're naturally blonde. I think you definitely need this shampoo to maintain the beautiful blonde color that you have. And that's my point of view.